Vocal health is body health. Now, don't get me wrong. Don't think, oh my gosh, Crystal, I didn't come here to get health tips. I didn't come here to work out. I didn't come here to be told that, I'm not living right. I'm not trying to tell you you're not living right. I ain't living right. But what I am saying is, if you want certain quality of voice, you have to take care of yourself. Welcome back, it's your girl Miss Chance, and this is Vocal 5. So today we're going to be talking about vocal health. Vocal health is body health. This is your instrument, this is what you have. You have to take care of yourself. Part of taking care of yourself is making sure your physical is up to task. We're working out a little bit, even if you do a 1 push-up a day, that's better than nothing. You're drinking lots of water. You're hydrated. You have to replenish yourself as the day goes through. You need to sleep or rest. If you're always wound up and you're not sleeping, you're gonna have a hard time with this, with the workload that's gonna be put on your vocal cords. So you gotta rest. Take time off. I'm not talking today. Not talking today. If you gotta take a vocal rest day, baby, then take that. Then take it. It's okay. We're gonna be putting those in here too, but some days you just gotta shut up. I would suggest getting a vocal steamer. I'm gonna put the one that I use down in the description below. But vocal steamers are just good to get all the phlegm out, just to give your vocal cords a nice little massage, an air massage. You feel great afterwards. You're able to sing a lot clearer. And if you have any inflammation or any tension or pain that's happening, it will help it dissipate. So if you can invest in a vocal steamer, I would do that, or just boil a pot of water and inhale. Put your face over it with a towel over your head and inhale, and that will work as well. Take your vitamins, baby. Boost that immune system. Make sure everything on the inside is working well. Mental health. Do things that will make you smile. Do things that will put joy into your life. If there are negative people around you, negative energies around you, I know you can't always just cut them out, but try to create boundaries and create distance between yourself and those people, because you will absorb their energy if they are always around you. Surround yourself with the energies that you want to reflect. Right? I think that's pretty simple. I know it's not always easy, but that's the long and short of that. If you are having fun and enjoying this content so far, give your girl a like and give your girl a subscribe, man. Invite somebody. Come on. What we doing over here? Help a girl out if you like what you see. Yeah? Bring some friends. Okay, bye.